I've heard, watched, and read great love stories, but ours has to be my favorite. A love that started off as friends for over 10 years, to us being life partners.
I'll never forget the day I laid my eyes on you. Instantly I knew there was something special about you and different. This was the beginning of an amazing friendship. I'm really blessed that today I get to promise myself to someone I call my best friend. A regular guy like me was able to convince a beautiful, loving, and fun woman like yourself. So you spend the rest of your life with me. Out of all the complex decisions that I've ever to make in my life, asking you to marry me has been by far my most favorite.
Nicholas Smoyo, I vow you'll never feel like you're second best, that you're not wanted, or that you've been an afterthought. I vow to encourage you to continue being the very best version of yourself, the talented, smart, and confident kind man that you are.
I promise to continue enjoying the good times, battle through the tough times, and come out of every situation stronger and better together. You give me the purpose and motivation to be the best person I can be. I simply can't picture my life without you. You cheer for me the loudest, you make me laugh, you care deeper than anyone I've ever met, and you show the most beautiful love to our family. I speak for Uko and myself. And we really appreciate that so much.
I'll be there to help you. I'll be right there by your side every time. I will be your shelter when you need a place to hide. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand, a constant friend for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. Time will turn just like a page, and there will come a day just remember that I'm never far away. Just call my name. I'll be there for you. I'll be there for you. I'll be your helping hand.
I vow to always respect you. When we find obstacles in our way, I promise to stand up for you, to stick by you, to fight for you, and to comfort you. I love you loads, babe.
I love you too.
I'll be there for you. I'll be there to help you. I'll be there for you.
I promise to fiercely dedicate my heart to you today as I stand here in front of our family and friends as a happy and humble man. A man that will continue to love you for who you are. A man that will always cherish you. A man that will always support your dreams and goals. I vouch to work with you to build a marriage of teamwork, knowing that together we will build a life either one of us could not imagine alone. I will care for you, grow with you, and always stand by your side. I love you so much.
And I'll be there to help you. And I'll be there anytime you call. I'll be there for you.